Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen touch ghosting in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, it's facing the issue that you might have touch ghosting issues on your screen. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you can try to completely clean your screen, or you can also try to remove your protector or your screen glass, and then you can try to completely clean your display, and after that you can reinstall the protector on your phone. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed in this app, or if it's still not working for you, so you have to make sure that your screen or your protector is not broken from these edges, or your protector might not be broken, because sometimes it might be if your screen protector is broken, so it might have that issues, especially from edges. So if you find see that your protector is broken, so you can try to change that with a new one, and after this your issue might have been fixed. You can also go to your settings app here, and in settings go to software update, and just make sure that your phone might have an independent software update here. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating your software, your issue might have been fixed, or if it still not works, go to display here, go to this section. There's accidental touch protection and touch sensitivity. You have to make sure that you have enabled this spot, and then scroll back, scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. It will fix if there will be any software glitch or any technical issue with your phone. It might be fixed in this step, and after doing this, you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.